Day after quitting the BJP, actor turned politician Ranjana Nachyar has also joined Vijay's TVK party. She has called him the next MGR, and my colleague Sam has spoken to her. Listen in.
Ranjana Nachyar, the BJP leader who had quit the Saffron party yesterday, has now come to the TVK conference venue to join actor Vijay's TVK. Are you joining the TVK?
Yeah, today I'm planning to. I have decided to join before Thalapathy Vijay.
What attracts you? What are his policies that draw you?
Desiyamam, Dravidamam is his policy, and I would be more pleasure to work with Thalapathy Vijay because he is the one youngster's biggest hope, tomorrow's hope. So I would like to travel with.
After Jayalalitha and MGR, ma'am, Tamil Nadu has not seen any actors becoming successful as chief ministers.
Yeah.
What makes you think that Vijay could be breaking that myth?
Thalapathy Vijay is next MGR. People believe so. Even I believe Thalapathy Vijay will be the next MGR. And nobody can win before Thalapathy Vijay. And he is the biggest hope of Tamil Nadu people. He will be the biggest leader after MGR.
And what is the reason you quit BJP yesterday?
Yeah, as I told you earlier, like three language imposition, Hindi imposition, and as the children doesn't need another language. All children are not linguists, it is their own choice to choose another language. So we need not force them to learn another language. That is not a need now. There is no dire necessity for another language.
All right, we've also spoken to BJP Tamil Nadu spokesperson Vinod Selvam on this. Listen into what he has to say.
What we must understand is that while the debate is happening in Tamil Nadu about the national education policy and about the three-language formula, and Tamil Nadu opposing the third language implementation, which they believe is an imposition of Hindi. In this case, this order, or rather this act, dates back to 2018, and the government had at that time said that Telugu.
All right, we'll try and get you a BJP reaction in just a bit. Meanwhile, this is what we're learning at the moment. Ranjana Nachyar, who was the BJP leader, actor turned politician, has now joined actor Vijay's TVK, and she has called him the next MGR. She says that Tamil Nadu has big hopes from actor Vijay. All right, my colleague Sam is now joining us on the broadcast here. Sam, you've spoken to Ranjana Nachyar also, and this definitely comes as a setback for the BJP and a boost for TVK's party. How is this going to affect the prospects of the BJP?
Well, in terms of the BJP, it's certainly an embarrassment. At a time, the state BJP is aggressively batting for three-language policy as part of the national education policy kitty. One of their own leaders from the art and culture wing in the state has quit, saying that this is unacceptable. This is being seen as imposition of a language, and this cannot happen. And in that sense, it is a setback. But to what extent this will help the TVK, that's something we'll have to wait and watch, because TVK's popularity, although it's led by actor Vijay, who has a cult following, he's a super popular actor, a superstar in that sense. Politically, his popularity is yet to be tested, but his fans and supporters believe that his voters would really translate into vote, and his supporters would translate into votes and would really help him make a splash. Speaking on why she joined the TVK, Ranjana Nachyar herself says she looks at Vijay as M.G. Ramachandran, the iconic star who became chief minister for 3 terms, and that he is being seen as a bigger star after M.G. Ramachandran, and he's being seen as the hope for Tamil Nadu in that sense. And now that being guided by a strategist like Prashant Kishore, there is hope that if not capturing power, Vijay would certainly be able to make a splash and make a foray in the Dravidian heartland. Whether he's going to join hands with AIADMK, as some speculation says, that's something we'll have to wait and watch. He has been critical of both the DMK and the BJP, but he has been quite silent about AIADMK. That triggers speculation. Perhaps Vijay is keeping doors open for a possible tie-up. Would he be open to be a junior partner with AIADMK? That's something we'll have to wait and watch. Also the question of credibility. While he tried to lead a front led by him, what kind of a dent would it make in his credibility if he aligns with a Dravidian party? That's something, another theory being said. But certainly all eyes will be on what Vijay would have to say, particularly with reference to the three-language formula, the sexual offences on the rise in Tamil Nadu, and several other pressing issues in the state.